guys, welcome back to another video of Barber Secret. Guys, in this video we have gathered top 10 the most beautiful and flawless short haircut transformation for black men. If you are looking for some best haircut idea in 2025, I think you are in the right place. You will get the right haircut idea today, so don't skip this video. Watch this video till end. Basically, the black men short haircut have always been a staple of style, versatility, and precision grooming. Whether you are looking for a clean professional look or something with edge and personality, short hairstyles offer low maintenance upkeeping while still delivering a massive impact. As you can see, this guy got perfect shape of line with taper fade, and we are moving the next one. This guy have bunch of wolf chops, and it's gonna look so messy. So let's see what gonna happen. This is gonna chop in all it off, and the process has been started. So let's see what gonna happen. Short haircuts are always raw because they are not taking that much time to keep the symmetrical and hair video. The number 2 was literally flawless. The low-end fade with clean mid shape of line with Zika. Anyways, we are moving the third one. And this guy have also some bushy hair, and he is looking for some sharp and clean haircut for now. So let's see what gonna happen. Chopping it all off. I think short haircut is the perfect and versatile idea for black men. Those guys who really love to wear short hair, I think they are just in 2025, because short haircut's gonna make history. Defining its shape of line, showing some extra hair on the top, and this is going to the perfect midfield shape of line. And look at the C-cup. That was a literally flawless short haircut transformation ever for black guy. We are moving the next one, and this little guy have fox hawks here, and he is looking for a mid fade with clear shape of line. I think the lineup is the major factor and the major part of black guy's haircut. And look at this one. This guy literally looking flawless. Handsome, clean, neat, and classic haircut transformation for black men. And we are moving in the next one, and this guy got a wolf jaw, but he got really uneven hairline. So yeah, this barber just defining his C-cut. Apply some enhancement on some light spots, and here is the final look. That was literally flawless transformation. That was flawless. We are moving another shot here. The transformation. This guy got wolf chops, and let's see what's gonna happen. This is gonna be a step by step a tapper fade with clean shape of line with C cup, and here is the final look. This guy literally looking flawless with that tapper fade with shape of line, and C cup is wide but looking pretty handsome. We got another wolf chops and we are moving the next one, so let's see what's gonna happen. And it's time to make some sharper look on the top and defining his shape of line. And here is some final touches for C cup and crispy shape of line. The high mid fade with that 360 waves. I think this is gonna be a most trendiest haircut in 2025. Oh my god, just look at these waves. We are moving another one. This guy got also most beautiful wolf chops, and he's also looking for some mid tapper with clean shape of line, and got also some light spot on their forehead, but it's probably the most make his look more versatile. That's how you can make your waves more prominent doing that type of brushes. And here is the final look. The mid tapper, clean and neat shape of line, and got some beautiful shady top. Anyways, we are moving the next one. This guy has some messy hair on the top. And this is gonna be a most beautiful burst fade. And this also gonna be our last haircut of the day. I hope you have enjoyed all of this crispy short haircut transformation for black man. And if you really want to visit that barber, I will mention all of these barber in my description box, so don't forget to visit that barber. Before visiting their barber shop, just click in the link and book your appointment and get a haircut and look so sharp like all of these guys. I hope you had enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching videos. Subscribe, turn the bell notification to get update for every upcoming upload.